Well, the day I was hoping would never come has come. Had a blowout, not sure why. Damn, it's a fucking kickstand. Doesn't appear to be anything wrong with the tire. Doesn't look like it got punctured anywhere, but it is flat as flat can be. And now I gotta push it home about 15 blocks. So one of the downsides to having air-filled tires, I guess, but the rims split on this one. It shouldn't be a terrible nightmare to fix it. I might have to have my friend come and help me. I don't know why it popped. Doesn't make any sense at all, really. Doesn't look like I ran over anything. It just went flat. So I don't know. That kind of screws up my whole day because I was just starting to get on a roll with DoorDash and Uber Eats. I was on my way to pick up an easy order, but I had to unassign it, and now I got to go home and fix a scooter. But it is what it is. I mean, it's going to be a lot cheaper than fixing a car tire, and it gave me extra inner tubes with it, so I guess it's not going to be that much of an issue. I just have to figure out how to fix it, but I really needed to be out making money right now. So anyway, when it rains it pours. I don't know why it went flat. I can't see any damage to the tire. I don't think I ran over anything. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense at all, but what are you gonna do? I guess I'm gonna walk home 15 blocks and fix a tire instead of making money today. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing better than I am. Give this video a thumbs up if you would, because I'm really struggling these days, and that would help me out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss all the live streams I've been doing lately. And I look forward to seeing you again soon, hopefully with air in my tires. Oh, what a day.